Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 147 of Surah Al Anaam and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم فإن كذبوك فقل ربكم ذو رحمة واسعة give hums in fa. Whenever you see fa, you're giving hums. For fatha upon jazna hums is flow of breath. Okay. Fa. For kasra give e sound and then give ikhfa, and this ikhfa is like ink. Fa Kaf is light for fatha upon jot that with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhaba and give that zabzaba sound, and it is created by engaging the right makhraj of dal. Kadh. Kadha for fatha upon jot. For fatha upon jot, the sound is short. Boo for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Ka for fatha upon jot, the sound is short. Fa give hums in fa for fatha upon jot. Qur. This is lam sakina, so here we are giving idgham. Faqur. Qaf is heavy for the circle lips and ra is heavy too because there is fatha on it. Faqur. Ra is heavy and attached ba. Ba will get sifa of shidda, and sifa of shidda will cut off the sound of ba abruptly. Rabbu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Kum for the circle lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Dhu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Rah. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of hums and rakhawa, and ha should be from your throat nicely. Rahma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Tiung, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. ومخرج forward. Circling your lips, make it two counts long. C for kasra, give E sound. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. It's gone with kunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Huwa makhraj forward. Circling your lips for fatha open jaws. La two counts long. You keep ya light for the circle lips. The sound is short. Rad. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of shitta. The sound will be cut off abruptly. Raddu for Dhamma circular lips. The sound is short. Ba for Fatha upon jaws attached with Hamza. Hamza will cut off the sound because it has Shidda in it. Ba su for Dhamma circular lips. The sound is short. Hu for Dhamma circular lips. Make it two counts long. Ain from your throat nicely for Fatha upon jaws. Nil for Kasra, give E sound attached with Lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Qaw, me off nicely heavy. For fatha open jaws and attach it. Wow, this is wow lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with wow. Mil for kasra, give e sound, attach it. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of breath. Medium flow of sound. Mil, mu. I'm sorry. Mil, muje. For the circle ellipse attached. Jim will get sifa of qalqala, and there should not be any escape of breath here. Muje, ri for kasra, give e sound, and ra is light here. Mean, because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is mada arid lis sukun. فإن كذبوك فقل ربكم ذو رحمة واسعة ولا يرد بأسه عن القوم المجرمين. For fatha upon jaws, sin is light. It has the feet. Here for fatha upon jaws, keep ya light. Qaf is heavy for dhamma circle lips, make it two counts long. Lul for dhamma circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and as you will touch second lam, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on it. Lul for fatha upon jaw. The give 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ash hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws, attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa, and it has the fashi, and it is light. Ash ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Ku for dhamma, circle ellipse, and make sure you are not bringing sound in your nose when you are making it long. Ku, ku, lau. For fatha upon jaws, attach with wow. This is wow lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with lau. Wow. Lau, sha. Mad munfasil, mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long without going into your nose. Sha'al. Hamza is sharp. Attached with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Allah. Allah. Lafz jalala is always long. Hu for the ma circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ma. Mad munfasil jais. Make it 4 counts long. Ash. Hamza is sharp. For fatha upon jaws. Attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa for khawa. It has the fashi and it is light. Ash, rock. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws, attach with kaf. Kaf will get sifa of hums, and hums is flow of breath. Rock, na, 2 counts long. Wa, makhraj paw. Circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. La, mad munfasil jaiz, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp, make it 2 counts long. Ba, mad, muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. U, for the ma circle lips, this vowel is acting just like chair for Hamza. We are not pronouncing wow. So Hamza, Dhamma, the sound will be short. U, na, 2 counts long. Ua, makhraj of wow, circling your lips with fatha upon jaws. La, 2 counts long. Har, ha from your throat for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha on it. Har, and give the wasut when you are attaching ha with ra. Haram, ram for fatha open jaws attached with mim. You will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Na, 2 counts long. Mi, for kasra give e sound first. Me, and then give ikhfa. And this ikhfa is light. You are going towards the makhraj of sheen. Mia, shay. Mia, shay. Because of this fuck, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad lean because there is lean letter sitting here. And you are giving nabar on Hamza whenever you are stopping on Hamza and there is mad letter before it, then you will give Hamza a nabar. And nabar is jump off sound. Just to save the sound of Hamza and make sure that we pronounce it clearly. That's why we are going to give it a nabar. Min shay. Ka is light for fatha upon jaws. The, make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Ka for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Kad, kaf is light for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa for a khawa. And it is light. Kad, for fatha, the sound is short. Bal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa tawassut. At home with her. Bal for fatha upon jaws. The, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mio, give e sound first and then make a heavy ikhfa. This ikhfa is heavy. Why? Because qaf is among heavy letters. And you make sure that you keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is ikhfa, and the major and important part of ikhfa is ghanna. Niqab. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will be light. Keep ba light. because we tend to make light letters heavy because they are near the heavy letters. So there is qaf, but qaf is heavy, not ba. Qabe. Qabe. Li for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attach with me. We will get sifa of tabassut. Hat. Ha from your throat with hamza. Fatha upon jaws attach with ta. Ta will get sifa of shidda. The shidda letter, the makhraj of shidda letter will cut off the sound. Hatta, ta, 2 counts long. The, 2 counts long. Qu, qaf is heavy. Make qaf nicely heavy. And for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Qu, ba. For fatha upon jaws attach with hamza. Hamza will get cut off the sound. Ba, sana. Scene is short, but it has safir, and make it 2 counts long because this ending is mu'tal, so it will stay the same. Ul, qaf is heavy for dhamma, circle lips attached with lam. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position and get the wasut on lam. Hal, for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. And lam will get sifa of tawasut. Ain from your throat. And for kasra, give a nice e sound. Ri, 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 and then there is ikhfa. And you make sure you keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And you are preparing your mouth to say dal. Your tongue should be very close to the makhraj of dal when you are pronouncing ikhfa. Da, da, kum. For dhamma, circling lips, as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. This is idgham and shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum, min. For kasra, give e sound, and here you are giving idhar and suffice tawassut because yes, there it is idhar. Min il for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Il mia. This is ikhfa. For kasra, first give e sound and then come to ikhfa. You are keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time, and you are keeping your mouth ready to say makhraj of fa. Mia, mia, fa, tukh. Ta is light for the circle lips attached with kha. Kha will be, kha is heavy and may give rakhawa on it. Tukhri, ra will be light because there is kasra on it. Ri, ju, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Hu, for the circle lips, the sound is short. La, for fatha upon jaws. Na, mortal sound. Keep it as it is. Keep it 2 counts long. Yeah, for kasra give e sound, and this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Your tongue should be very much close to the makhraj of ta, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Yeah, yeah, ta, 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 very sharp. Again, ta is very sharp. The makhraj is cutting off the sounds. Ta, ta, ta. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. B for kasra e sound. Ru, ain from your throat. And for dhamma, circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ru, na. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Il, hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Law, ilaw. Keep lam light and dha will be heavy. Dha will get sifa for rakhawa. Lawan. For fatha upon jaws attached with noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Wa. Makharaj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws. In. Idhar. And ruling idhar and sifais tawassut. In. Hamza is sharp and there is ikhfa. you are hiding the sound of noon into your nose and you are going to the makhraj of ta. A, antum. For the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. Il, for kasra give e sound attached with lam, now we'll get sifa of tawassut. La, then make it two counts long. Takh, keep ta light for fatha upon jaws attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa and it is heavy. Takh, ru, ra is heavy for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. Soon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this two count long vowel into four. This is madarid lis sukoon. سيقول الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما أشركنا لو شاء الله ما أشركنا ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من شيء سيقول الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما أشركنا ما أشركنا ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من شيء كذلك كذب الذين من قبلهم حتى ذاقوا بأسنا قل هل عندكم من علم فتخرجوه لنا إن تتبعون إلا الظن وإن أنتم إلا تخرصون قل قاف is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut فليل give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws lil for kasra give e sound attached with lapse jalala will be light because there is kasra before it lilla lapse jalala is always long he focus and then ha is attached with lam he'll give e sound first and then attach with lam will get sifa of tawassut Hud, ha from your throat with hams for dhamma, circle lips attached with jim. Jim will get sifa of shidda. The, the makhraj will cut off the sound abruptly. Hud, ja for fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short without escaping any sound or breath here. Ja, tul for dhamma, circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ba, two counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Gha. Ghain should be from your throat and ghain is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. And because of the spark, we have changed this ta into ha. And then ha will get sifa prakhawa because it is with sakun now. Baligha. Fa give hamsin fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Law. Wow is lean. So when you're attaching fatha with wow, you're making it soft. Law, sha, mad, muttasil wajib, make it four counts long, but make sure this long vowel should not go into your nose. Sha, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. La, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ha, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Da, two counts long. Kum for the circle ellipse attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. Aj, hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with jim will get sifa of qalqala and jim is majhura letter. So there should not be escape of any breath. Aj, ma, for fatha open jaws. Ain from your throat for kasra give E sound. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid lis sukoon. قل فلله الحجة البالغة قل فلله الحجة البالغة فلو شاء لهداكم أجمعين سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته